It's Terry. Is your phone been hacked? Cyber criminals have countless tools to target victims. They develop these tools themselves, or unsurprisingly, they go and sneak and then steal them and then use them. Well, earlier this year, authorities discovered cyber criminals were using military-grade hacking software designed by an Israeli tech firm, NSO Group. A research group called Citizen Lab then revealed that NSO's own clients were using the software to spy on journalists. Apple rolled out security patches to prevent this type of government-sponsored spyware, and now it's going one step further. Apple says it's now going to notify owners if their phones and their iPhones and other devices, such as watches, have been compromised. The NSO's homepage says the firm creates technology that helps government agencies prevent and investigate terrorism and crime to save thousands of lives around the world. Yeah, that sounds great, but there's more to it, really. There's always a little bit more. Last week, Apple announced that it was suing NSO Group and its parent company for spying on Apple users. The complaint says NSO Group infected people's devices using the firm's Pegasus software. The tech giant says that there's a documented history of such software being used to target journalists, academics, dissidents, government officials. The exploit was discovered by the Citizen Group, the Citizen Lab. Apple has since released a patch to fix this vulnerability. Given the level of seriousness of all these hacks, Apple says it will notify users if their Apple devices have been compromised by state-sponsored malware or spyware. If Apple detects evidence of a state-sponsored attack, the targeted user will get a threat notification on the top of the page when they're signed in to appleid.apple.com. You'll see it right there. Apple will also send an email and an iMessage notification to the associated account with the user's Apple ID. Don't expect this to work perfectly, guys. Apple says users may get a false alarm or a threat may miss detection. You should also keep in mind that Apple will never ask you to click on any links, open files, install apps or profiles, or provide your Apple ID password or verification code by email or by phone. With just about anything security related, criminals will try to use this new system to their advantage. Be careful, and never reply to requests for your personal info, even if they seem to be from Apple. Please trust me on this. A little prevention goes a long way. Take steps to protect yourself from all types of spyware, malware, ransomware, adware, and viruses, even state-sponsored or otherwise. We hope these tips can help you. Thank you, Kim Commando. Hey, we've got your back here at Normal Gadgets. If we can assist you, you can schedule a fixed appointment at normalgadgets.com. You can stop by our store at any time, or you can give us a call. Our phone number is 309-807-3333. We are here to get you back to normal.